you discipline them before? Na nakikita mo yung fruits ngayon na parang, we did it right.
I think more than discipline is really building a relationship. Being there. Being there and being present. Kasi you can live in one house, pero hindi ka naman present. Physically ka lang nandun. Pero emotionally, mentally, wala ka doon. May mga gano'n kasi na display ka lang. Pero hindi ka nararamdaman. Diba? In marriages also ganun, diba? Nandyan ka lang, pero hindi ka nararamdaman. So, ang pinaka-importante sigurong ginawa namin ng asawa namin, na nararamdaman nila na nandun kami.
Chex, can you give us tips on how to be present with your kids or with your husband? Ano yung naaalala mong kumbaga hacks mo or tips mo na yun nga, naging fully present ka with them?
I think parang hindi naman mahirap na lahat tayo kailangan natin ng oras. Time. Diba? Sabi nga nila, love is spelled T-I-M-E. How you use the time. How you put love in that time. So, ang ginawa namin ng asawa namin, lagi kaming may oras para sa mga anak namin. And we're never too busy for them. And from that time, nakapag-build kami ng solid relationship. Diba, maski naman sa walk natin kay Lord Diba, how will you get to know the Lord if you don't spend time with Him? If you don't read the Bible, if you also don't pray, talagang mafe-feel mo ang layo-layo naman ni Lord sa atin, diba? Ganun din tayo sa mga anak natin. Kailangan natin ng oras na kilalanin sila, kilalanin nila tayo. You cannot discipline a child if they don't know you. Because if you discipline a child that doesn't know you, they will always think you're battling it out with them. So they will rebel. But if your child knows your heart and you know your child's heart, you will not be malicious in whatever it is that they do. Or whatever and the same way with them. They will not misconstrue your love, your actions. And at the same time also with their children, always tell them, you're allowed to say what you feel. The same way as parents, we also say what we think and what we feel, but we also make sure that it's within the context of love. You can correct your children, but in a loving way. You have to explain things because even with us adults, diba, kailangan natin ng explanation. Bakit kailangan gawin to? But marami tayong bakit But. Pero bakit sa mga anak natin, hindi natin masagot yung but nila? Diba? Kailangan patient tayo. Paulit-ulit. Tayo nga, tigas ang ulo natin, adults na tayo Sila pa kaya?